and we are going back to Antioch to complete saga number 2, episode number 2 of the hot water heater. We're back for episode 2. Dad came back yesterday while I worked all day yesterday and put on some new hot and cold lines. Those actually have shutoffs on them. So we replaced those. Got a better fitting drip pan. And we're getting rid of this guy, taking it back to put in the other new. The new. Better fitting new. Back to the store. It goes. Gotta fix venting. Journey never ends. Never ends. On the way back, dried out the closet for like a day and a half, sprayed it down with mold killer, and then like sealed it just a little bit. You know, I don't know. Don't judge me. This is the old crap that we're replacing. It's the end of the concrete double wall. Let's try this again. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. The final adventure.
I see where it's supposed to go.
Getting that guy in. It's a Ryan in a roof.
Gums.
What am I supposed to do with this?
It's got to go up in that little square hole up in your roof.
How many monkeys does it take? That's the question. Listen, I never expressed to be a professional doing this stuff. But I'm just gonna say I hate doing water heaters. I really do. I don't love them. I don't. Tin snip later, fit it in there. Again, not professional, don't judge. Yeah, we're getting that set up. And we're freaking done. We are done. I'm going home. We're done.